Hi, my name is Chuck. I'm a pharmacist. I've lived in Charlotte for 20 years. What made me pull the trigger was the environmental benefits, and it seemed like a very good investment. What I've learned is how all the pieces fit together. The financial aspect of it was very interesting. There's a government rebate, there's a Duke Power rebate. I was very excited when we turned the inverter on and it showed how much energy the panels were producing at that time. It's also really fun to be able to look at the app and see how much energy is being produced on each day according to the weather conditions and the monthly total. It's sort of amazing that your own house you can be actually producing energy versus constantly consuming energy. I looked at a lot of reviews online, and Renu by far seemed to have the most experience in Charlotte. They seemed respectable, didn't seem gimmicky at all. I felt that I could trust them.